What's up guys, Forge Eternals here. I just picked up this gem. It's a 1999 Honda Civic Purple Edition. It's pretty sick. I had to get new headlights for it. I didn't install this one yet. I just got this one from Pick and Pull a couple days ago, and you can see it's pretty faded out, foggy. Over time that usually happens. Today this video is going to show you how to redo it and make them look real nice. For this project you're going to need three things: all black sanding disc, white and black buffer, a drill. This is the Forge Eternals Stage 1 buffing kit for your headlights. We're thinking about putting it on the website soon. Probably trial offers first, but full sale it's probably going to be retailed about $68.99, so rounded up $69. Let's put these babies to work. When you use a drill, you want to make sure you get the 13mm bore, because that's the size of the kit for the sanding disc and the buffing pad. What you do, you take it, clicks right on. Once snapped into place, literally put it at the highest setting, and there it'll go, and just start buffing. You can already see right there. Look how clean that is compared to the rest.
Rock the night! Rock the night! I live my life to the night for long. Forever! Rock the night!
So now that I've completely went through it, so I gotta buff this all out and it'll be crystal clear. So you want to take your buffing applicator pad, and this one snaps on to the actual 1/2" drive bit, like a glove. Take it, and you just want to buff it. This is my special 1/2" drive sanding block. It works pretty good. I'm just trying to get that paint off so that we can continue buffing.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.